All right, Shalom, first and foremost. Shalom. First and foremost, I want to start by giving all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rakak Wadash. I am the brother Taziyar Gabor from Prophets of Babylon, Waco, Texas, under the branch of the Prophets of Babylon, Tampa Bay, Florida camp. And double honor to the elders and apostles of GMS. Peace, salutation to hopefully elect. Massive ocean discovered beneath the earth crust, containing more water than on the surface. That is crazy. You know, I saw this article when I got on Google. Decided to do a video on it. Alright, we know how big the earth is, especially, just getting into the ocean. They only discovered 5%. And it's amazing things like that. Also, how the ocean, the waters, the oceans, they don't mix. The Lord literally put a border within the water. The Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean don't even mix. So that's the mysterious, amazing things of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai. It says, is Earth imploding beneath the ocean? It feels like there have been staggering science stories. What is this? Alright, slack on that. It feels like there have been staggering science stories emerging every other day recently, all of which have blown our tiny little minds. First, there was the discovery of a terrifying black hole pointing right at us. Then there's a huge hole found in the sun, and a missing continent found after going missing for 375 years. Now people are only just realizing that there's a massive ocean hidden under the Earth's crust. It turns out there's a huge supply of water 400 miles underground, stored in a rock known as ringwoodite. Scientists previously discovered that water is stored inside a mantle rock in a sponge-like state, which isn't a liquid, solid, or gas, but instead a fourth state. The scientific paper detailed dehydration melting at the top of the lower mantle was published in 2014 and laid out the findings. Alright. The ringwoodite is like a sponge soaking up water. There is something very special about the crystal structure of the ringwoodite that allows it to attract hydration and trap water. This mineral can contain a lot of water under conditions of the deep mantle, added Jacobson, who was part of the team behind the discovery. He added, I think we are finally seeing evidence for a whole Earth water cycle, which may help explain the vast amount of liquid water on the surface of our habitable planet. Scientists have been looking for this missing deep water for decades. So, this is really fascinating to read. So they saying the water was being held in the rock known as ringwoodite. If the rock contained just 1% water, it would mean that there is 3 times more water under the surface of the earth than there is in the oceans on the surface. All right. So, the Lord has stuff out there that's just so mind-blowing, man. It's crazy. And it's only for us to find and know the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven. It's literally like a little, I don't know, man. It's like an adventure. And Esau just constantly finding new things each time he searched the earth. And it reminds me of the scripture, Jeremiah 31 and 37. Thus saith the Lord Yahweh, if heaven above can be measured, meaning the outer space, if outer space can be measured, and the foundations of the earth searched out beneath, meaning the oceans, I will also cast off the seed of Israel for all that they have done, saith the Lord Yahweh. So the Lord made a bet with this man. The Lord challenging this damn devil. He said if the heavens above can be measured and the earth searched out beneath, he would cast off the seed of Israel. That's why you had this man, Esau, just searching and exploring heavy. Because he ultimately wants the Lord to do away with us. But that ain't going to happen. You can't measure, the earth. You can't measure outer space. Just keep in mind all the new super planets that they constantly keep finding. This man can't do that. Because the Lord ain't going to allow him. That's only for the hopeful elect to know. Now they found water beneath the ocean, Which is, this is crazy. Thus said the Lord Yahweh, if heaven above can be measured, and the foundations of the earth searched out beneath the oceans, they constantly finding new sea creatures in the oceans. All right, new animals, all types. I will also cast off all the seed of Israel for all that they have done, said the Lord. And that's something that this man cannot do. What is this? They talking about they discovering continents that's been missing. They saying they discovered continent that have been missing for 375 years. If that's even true, But this just made me think of that scripture. Lord willing, this was an edifying video. Just keeping it short. Giving all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh Bashem Yahushua Bashem Kakwadash. I'm Taziar Gabar from Prophets of Babylon, Waco, Texas, under the branch of the Prophets of Babylon, Tampa Bay, Florida camp. And double honors to the elders and apostles of GMS. Peace, salutation to hopefully leg. I'm going to say shalom. Abba soon.